My God, after rains, this kind of heat.
मौसम क्लियर हो गया ना, तो मिट्टी मिट्टी साफ़ हो गई। हाँ, तो यही हो गया, दिस इज़ इट। यही मेरा भी सर ने टॉक कर रखा था। आई थिंक दे हैव ऑलरेडी ब्रोकन फॉर द टी and we have to start, so we are not late लगे। देखिए, जब उन्होंने बनाया तो बनाया ना, जो कमेंट देना आप कैमरा पे दो। क्या बोला था आपने?
राजीव गांधी का नाम क्यों?
राजीव गांधी ने जब अनवेल किया तो उसको दिखाएंगे ना। यूनिवर्सिटी तो अच्छी है,
हर चीज़ की हद होती है।
हाँ,
और कोई नाम मिला नहीं, राजीव गांधी,
इंदिरा गांधी यूनिवर्सिटी एंड ऑल दैट। अब वो तो उन्होंने अपने ही नाम रखा है, लेकिन है तो अच्छा है ना। चलो, अब्बास आपके नाम पे तो नाम रखा ही, तो अच्छा काम किया उन्होंने। तो लेट्स गो इनसाइड।
अच्छा, नहीं गाली नहीं।
अब ऐसी चीज़ें कलकत्ता में कब होंगी?
वेट जारी है, देखें कब।
आइए।
News came, Gandhi ji said that no Shraddh is to be performed, and no one has to say that out in that regard.
We also were able to bring out the first ever Congress president photograph published on the cover page of Times magazine when he was elected president of Congress at Haripura in 1938. And similarly, for first time this document has come out in public, where 27 INS soldiers were executed either by hanging or by shot in different camps in Madras, Delhi, Multan. All these places were there, and many more things are coming about in that. I wanted to put up a photograph of Netaji here, the one in uniform, but we couldn't do it in high res because these photographs are so small and all, and if you have to blow them up, then they sort of spread out and you can't see that.
His links with the revolutionaries. Very few people know that while he was studying in the school in Cuttack, there were links between him and the revolutionaries in Calcutta.
He himself has narrated that in India's struggle, and his writings over there.
And he said that he was even penalized. What he will do is that he will put the cutting of revolutionaries and then he will relate it to their house, in their wall in the house. And then someone, a police officer, visited a family friend and all visited and complained to his father that these should be removed, otherwise he will be caught by sedition and all that.
Now, where from the inspiration came? During his student life only, there are three persons whom he says who had inspired him.
One is Vivekananda ji, the other is Swami Ramakrishna Paramhans, and the third is Beni Madhav, his teacher, who inspired him for nationalism. And there are a number of writings of his on this.
During his student life itself,
He very secretly, without telling his parents and all, took a tour, a pilgrimage